The reason Suning or Inter as a company that today we're in Milan Design Week is simple. It's because our life is changing. Because of technology, because of the world of living lifestyle. So as a club or a company that facing consumers every single day, we start to think what exactly can help us to help in consumers or fans to stay focused and stay with us, right? To making sure people just enjoy, simply enjoy our life and enjoy their experience with our ecosystem. Look at your kids or younger generations, especially people born after 90s or 2000. How many of us actually shopping offline or actually shopping in a very traditional way? Not much. But how do we entertain our consumers? How do we make sure when you buy a jersey in our store is a different kind of experience? So that's exactly why, as a company today, we present ourselves in a different way. Right? Embrace technology, thinking out of the box, using virtual reality, using AI, using voice recognition, using face recognition, and make your experience in the store, in the stadium, more fun and more interesting. So this year, very importantly, you will step by step to see both from our Suning store and our Inter store in the stadium or anything that related to our ecosystem. Image will be better, information will be more diversified, food will be better. The shopping experience will be more interesting. You can play with it. Doesn't matter if you're shopping online with us or offline with us. Doesn't matter if you have an Inter account or Suning account. Doesn't matter if you're a consumer, a fan, or a designer or a brand. If you come into our system and you want to do something with us, I want to guarantee you what we put first is the experience to our fans and customers. And making sure, doesn't matter what happens, our vision is long-term, and making sure we're always thinking about tools and technology that can be cutting edge, embrace the things, the needs, a requirement that this world needs. We pay attention to our tradition, but at the same time, we want to use the technology and making sure in front of everybody, we're still the coolest kids in the room. So hopefully having visited us today and pay attention on our little progress and projects rolling out in the next couple months or year, you will step by step realize Inter or Suning as a company is different than other